Hey man, hold on. We got a big box in today, double unboxing, and you guys will not expect what I bought. I bought 2 pair of dunks. Yes, 2 pair, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Like I said, we have 2 pair of dunks that I recently picked up. Shouts out to D Reed's Heat. That's the homie. We used to go live a long time ago. We talk about sports, of course, some sneaker upcoming releases and stuff like that. So huge shout out to D Reed's Heat and put her IG up here so I can go shop with her. She does pre-orders. She be hooking people up. I feel like I got a good deal. She threw me a little, you know what I'm saying, a little solid with 2 pair of dunks that I purchased from her. So we're gonna talk about them in today's video. But if you guys are new, right now what I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, so don't miss out any content. We got some more reviews lined up, some more early looks coming on the way. So I need all y'all to stay tuned for that, but hit the notification bell, man. You guys already know, man, our like button's been going a long way. We just hit 62,000 subscribers. You guys already know the goal is 70K by the end of the year. And I keep telling y'all, we can do it with you guys' support. All I need you guys to do, man, drop some comments down below. Tell me what you think about some of the kicks that we be showing in the videos, and always following up with a huge like on the channel, and it goes a long way, man. My Instagram and my Twitter will be linked down below, as always. I think I'm gonna stop saying that in future videos, because you already know. My IG and my Twitter down below, so if you haven't followed me already, hey, you missing out. All right, guys, like I said, shout out to D Reed's Heat, you know what I'm saying? We picked up 2 heaters, you feel me? My first pair of dunks back in the collection since like 2020. Like I haven't picked up a dunk since, I don't even remember the name of those dunks. I picked up a pair of women's University blue dunks a while ago. You guys know I picked up the wrong sizes back when we did the live cops. I got the wrong size. I got a size 9 in women because I didn't know that they were women's exclusive, and I had to end up selling that pair even though I really wanted a pair of UNC anything in a collection. And I got the wrong damn size, so I had to sell it. But like I said, man, we have 2 pair of dunks in a day. We're gonna start up maybe a new little series, man. I might have to break it up, show you guys what the dunk collection has been looking like. Cause dunks is definitely something I try to go for, I promise y'all. I go for every dunk, I feel like. Go for every panda restock. I just never hit. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna get into it today. Nice packaging. Got them things bubble wrapped, you guys see them. Okay, 2 pair, yes sir. Let's go ahead and, I guess we could take it out like this. How about we take it out like this, throw this box out the way, and yeah, let's get into it, man. We're gonna take one out at a time. I don't know which one is which, but I do know what I picked up. I ain't just, you know, go out there and just buy anything crazy. So for the first pair, we have Nike Dunk Low Retro SE, Pale Ivory Black, and I'm not gonna butcher that colorway right there. We got these ones in a size 9. I used to go with a size 8.5 for my dunks, but I want a size 9. Shout out to D Reed. Got a receipt right here, or like this little, I don't know what this is. And you guys know you put like the slot machines. You got like the little diamond, you got a Nike swoosh. You got some cherries and all that crazy stuff you see in the regular slot machines. And let's pull these things out. Yes, sir. Hold on now. Hold on. We got these joints. I don't even know the name of them, but I was like, yo, these things is dope, and I gotta cop them. You guys let me know down below in the comment section what the name of these are. I think they call it the lottery pack or the lottery pick, one of the two. Y'all know what it is. There's a lot of dunk heads out there that pick up every single dunk, and it's just hard for me to get them. I don't know what it is. I don't know what Nike got against me. I don't know what my Foot Lockers around me don't get them at all, but I definitely see them on the Flex apps for reservation, just nowhere in my area. But these are tough. I already know what fit about to go crazy with these, and I guess I'm a little excited because this is my first pair of dunks that I picked up in a while. Like, this has been a minute. These are actually nice, and I seen a video or something on Instagram where they use this little coin or whatever to scratch off the Nike swoosh. I'm not gonna be doing this with this pair, but I think it's a red paisley or it's something under this Nike swoosh. I'm just not gonna show y'all because I'm rocking them like this. I need this colorway, that black and that green. This is nice. These are super nice, and the midsoles are sale. So I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll so you can check that out. And the laces, all that is tough, bro. Check out that tongue. Check out the tongue. Kind of got like the little star right there. That 3D effect Nike logo. These is nice. So this is the first pair. The lottery pack, I believe. Not lottery pack dunks. I know I'm probably messing the name up, but I had to get these. The color was super clean. and I need a pair of dunks in the collection. I'm happy I finally was able to attain a pair. So here goes the first pair. Let's get into the next one, straight from D Reed's, man. All right, let's go ahead and pull out the next pair of dunks. This one right here was straight impulse. I'm not gonna lie. I really wanted the green joints behind me, but I was like, shit, let me just go ahead and grab both. I know that's super impulse. I'm not gonna do that no more, I promise y'all. But these are the Nike Dunk Low Retro, Blue Jay, and Blue Jay. I didn't forgot what I didn't cop. Like, I don't even know which these are. I think I bought them like last week, but let's go ahead and see with you guys. Let's get it. Hold on now. Okay, we got in some kind of UNLV vibes. I don't know the name of them. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm not trying to like make this up. I just literally do not know the name. I thought these were dope as well. And I was like, yo, let me go ahead and scoop these up for me, D Reed. You know what I'm saying? She had a good deal on them. I said, I ain't got no dunks. And I swear, I will not pay resale for a pair of Pandas. I gotta get the Pandas for retail. So if anybody ever wanna hook your boy up with a pair of Panda Dunks for retail, that'd be greatly appreciated, man. But we have these joints right here. Don't know the name of them. I know a lot of dunk heads out there will probably know exactly what these are called, but for me, I got them strictly to, you know what I'm saying, get some fits out of, throw them on the clothing hauls, the try-on hauls, and all that good stuff, and to add a pair of dunks to the collection, because your boy has 0, or I had 0 before today. Now your boy got 2 pairs. So yeah, guys, I believe both of these released last week or even the week before last. I'm not too sure. But I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, man, which one you rocking out with more. I really want the green and white colorway, and your boy was a little bit impulsive, and I went ahead and copped these joints. I don't even know what they're called. Honestly, like I said, this is an impulse buy. I did not need them at all, but I think I got a good deal on both of them. I didn't spend no crazy money, but if I had to spend a little extra, it would have had to been on these joints. So I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, man, which one you rocking out with more, and please let me know if you were able to cop these for retail. Like I said, I've been taking nothing but L's on the sneakers out for dunks. I don't know what the issue Nike got with me, but with dunks, I don't get any for retail. So again, I want to give a huge shout out to D Reed for hooking your boy up. Hooked your boy up with his first pair of dunks in a while. And these are the only 2 I have in the collection as of now. You guys gonna see some more dunks coming in very soon. Like I said, if you guys got the Pandas, you wanna hook your boy up for a little steal, hey, hit your boy up on IG, link down below. Man, just look at these, bro. These is so tough, bro. These go crazy, man. I ain't gonna cap. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Quick little unboxing just for the Vintage Squad. I wanna show you guys what dunks your boy done picked up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new, if you're liking what you're seeing, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content that we're dropping, man. We got some more reviews and on feeds coming very soon. I think next we gotta do the Air Jordan 1 denims that's behind me. I'm gonna grab them real quick. Check these joints out right here. So this is the next review and on feed. And we already knocked out the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds that will be dropping this upcoming weekend. And of course, you guys know we just hit y'all with the Air Jordan 1 Taxi review and on feed. Again, I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for watching today's video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.